Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech giants anymore. Today, even small businesses and startups can use AI to save time, cut costs, and grow faster. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how AI can transform your business step by step. AI is like having a smart assistant that never sleeps. It can automate repetitive tasks, analyze data in seconds, and even predict customer behavior. Instead of spending hours guessing what works, AI gives you insights instantly. This means smarter decisions, happier customers, and more opportunities to scale your business. There are so many practical ways to bring AI into your business right now. Marketing and sales. AI tools can personalize email campaigns, write ad copy, and recommend products that customers are most likely to buy. Customer support. AI chatbots can answer questions around the clock, handle multiple conversations at once, and keep customers satisfied without extra staff. Content creation. From blogs and product descriptions to video scripts and social media posts, AI helps you create high-quality content in minutes. Data analysis. AI can quickly process massive amounts of data and highlight trends, so you can spot opportunities before your competitors do. Productivity. AI-powered assistants can manage your calendar, schedule meetings, and free up your time to focus on strategy and growth. Small online stores are using AI chatbots to increase sales and reduce abandoned carts. Restaurants use AI to predict peak hours and optimize staffing. Coaches and consultants are creating content faster with AI tools, helping them attract more clients. If they can do it, so can you. Here's the simple way to begin. Identify the biggest challenge in your business. Choose one AI tool to solve it, and test the results. Once you see growth, expand into other areas. AI is here to make your business smarter, faster, and stronger. AI is changing the way businesses grow, and the sooner you adapt, the faster you'll see results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips on business and AI, and drop a comment below telling me which AI tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.